What if you could completely reset your gut in just 30 days with a food ritual that Japanese seniors have been following for centuries? A secret that has allowed them to enjoy perfect digestion, endless energy, and a youthful glow that defies their years. But how does this ancient diet work? And is it too late for you to try? And what if I told you that many people over the age of 60 are struggling with bloating, poor digestion, fatigue, brain fog, all because they believe that these issues are just a part of getting older? Well, that's simply not true. Just ask the Japanese elders who are proving that a healthy gut is a happy gut. In this video, we will introduce you to one ancient diet ritual that can help you heal your gut, boost your energy, and transform your health no matter your age. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a vibrant, energetic you. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why certain foods make you feel sluggish while others leave you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world? Did you know that your gut controls not only digestion, but also your immunity, brain clarity, and even your mood? When your gut is inflamed or filled with bad bacteria, it can be the root cause of many senior health problems, from bloating and constipation to autoimmune disorders and even cognitive decline. The good news is that a healthy gut is within reach. You can transform your well-being by making simple changes to your diet. But here's the million-dollar question. What exactly makes a gut healthy, and how can you achieve it? That's where our story takes an unexpected turn. Get ready to embark on a journey across the globe to the serene island of Okinawa, Japan, where the locals have unlocked the secrets to a long, healthy life. In fact, Okinawa is home to the world's healthiest seniors. People over the age of 65 have significantly lower rates of dementia, disability, and even cancer compared to the rest of Japan. And the best part, they do it without taking any fancy supplements or pills. Instead, they swear by traditional practices passed down through generations. So what's the secret to their longevity and vitality? The answer lies in their daily diet, which is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, gut-friendly fibers, and a variety of fermented foods. But let's take a closer look at what's on their plate. One of the staple foods in their diet is vegetables, particularly fermented vegetables like pickled radish, cucumbers, and cabbage. These veggies are not only delicious and nutritious, but also packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. The Okinawans also love to add a splash of vinegar to their dishes, which is another great source of probiotics. And let's not forget about their love for fermented soybeans, which are used to make miso soup, tofu, and soy sauce. These products are not only tasty, but also rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help to maintain a healthy gut and prevent diseases. Now you may be wondering what all the fuss is about fermented foods. Well, here's the deal. Our gut contains trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in our overall health. When these bacteria are out of balance, it can lead to gut inflammation and a host of other health problems. But that's where fermented foods come to the rescue. These foods are like a breath of fresh air for your gut bacteria. They replenish the good bacteria, restore balance, and reduce inflammation. And the best part, they taste great. It's a win-win situation. Okay, now that we've got the fermented foods out of the way, let's talk about the heart and soul of the Okinawan diet, their famous rice. Now you might be thinking, rice? Really? But hold on a second. Not all rice is created equal. The Okinawans prefer brown rice, which is rich in fiber and nutrients that promote gut health. They also love to mix things up with barley and sweet potato, which are not only delicious, but also packed with prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Finally, no conversation about the Okinawan diet would be complete without mentioning their love for seaweed. This humble ingredient is a great source of iodine, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for gut health and overall well-being. The Okinawans typically eat seaweed in the form of miso soup or as a side dish with their rice. And let's not forget the cherry on top of this gut-friendly feast. The Okinawans love to add a cup of green tea or matcha to their daily routine. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that support gut health and can help reduce inflammation. Matcha, on the other hand, is a powdered form of green tea that is particularly high in antioxidants and nutrients. Now let's put all of this knowledge to the test with a 30-day gut reset plan inspired by the Okinawa diet. Over the course of 4 weeks, you'll gradually introduce fermented foods, prebiotics, and other gut-friendly ingredients into your daily meals. And the results? Well, you'll have to see for yourself. But fair warning, this plan isn't for the faint of heart. It takes commitment, discipline, and a whole lot of patience. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of the plan, let's take a moment to appreciate the science behind why this approach works so well. Our bodies are like complex ecosystems, and our guts are home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in our overall health. When these tiny tenants are out of balance, our guts become inflamed and we're more susceptible to health problems. But fear not, because our daily diet can be the hero our gut needs. By eating fermented foods like kimchi and miso soup, we're essentially giving our gut bacteria a nutritious meal that they need to thrive. Probiotics in these foods replenish the good bacteria in our gut, restoring balance and reducing inflammation. Prebiotic-rich foods like barley, sweet potatoes, and seaweed provide fiber that nourishes these good bacteria. It's like giving your gut a buffet of healthy options. The result? A happier, healthier gut and an overall better you. Here's how to do it. 7-day plan number 1. 1 small cup of miso soup per day. This will soothe your gut lining and prepare it for the upcoming changes. Plus, miso soup is a delicious way to start your day with a boost of protein, fiber, and probiotics. It's like a warm hug from the inside out. Day 7 to 14, continue enjoying your daily dose of miso soup and add 1 small portion of fermented vegetables to 1 meal per day. For instance, you could have a small bowl of pickled onions or radishes with lunch. Day 14 to 21, it's time to ramp things up. Continue with your miso soup and fermented vegetable habit. Also, start incorporating more prebiotic-rich foods into your diet. Have sweet potato with breakfast, barley with lunch, and seaweed with dinner. Each of these foods provides a different type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Day 21 to 30, keep up the good work by continuing your daily miso soup and fermented vegetable routine. And ensure you are drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help your body digest those prebiotics more efficiently. As the days go by, you'll likely notice a difference in how you feel. Your digestion might become more regular. You'll have increased energy levels and your skin might even glow with renewed health. Throughout this process, it's important to listen to your body and take note of any changes, whether positive or negative. If you experience any unusual symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor first. So there you have it, folks, a 30-day gut reset plan inspired by the Okinawa diet. Give it a try and let us know how you feel after a month of gut-friendly goodness. And if you're curious about how this ancient wisdom holds up under the microscope, then boy, do we have a treat for you. Get ready to dig into some light science and learn how this diet approach truly works wonders for your gut. You won't believe the incredible impact it can have. A groundbreaking study conducted among Japanese seniors revealed that those who incorporated fermented foods and prebiotics into their daily diet experienced a whopping 40% reduction in digestive discomfort. That's a major leap towards a happier, healthier gut. Plus, you'll gain insight into how probiotics and prebiotics work their magic on your gut bacteria, leading to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a stronger immune system. Say goodbye to gut woes and hello to a brighter, better you. Remember, it's not about fad diets or quick fixes. It is about embracing a lifestyle that nourishes your gut and sets you on the path to optimal health and well-being. So why wait? Start your journey towards a healthier, happier you today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of gut health and traditional healing practices that stand the test of time. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and embrace the wisdom of the ages.